Hey guys, welcome back. I am super excited to have you guys here today. I received my first BoxyCharm and I have it right here. This is for last month. If you guys want to see what's in this box, then you guys need to keep on watching. So I was finally able to get through this box and open it. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what's in the box. It came like this. I like that it has this because hopefully my palette isn't broken, because when the mailman brought it, he just tossed the box. So I'm a little afraid of what I'm going to be finding. So this is the box. And here's a card. It says BoxyCharm on it. I'm gonna be seeing what it says. All this, and then a list of the items that come in here, I guess. Yeah, because I saw this. So we're gonna have a Tarte Pro Glow liquid highlighter, Pop. You had me at Hello eyeshadow palette, and I like that it has the prices here too. So this one retails for $29. The palette retails for $18. Pores No More vacuum cleaner, it retails for $47. And the brow gal, it's $22. And then we have the high definition liquid lipstick. So this is like, they sent me a little list. I like that. They sent me a little list of the things that are in the box. So I stopped getting Ipsy because I don't like the sample size items that I was getting. I didn't really care for them. Like, I didn't like them. And so I was told by other girls on this Facebook page that they were getting BoxyCharm and that they liked it. It's $10 more. The stuff that you get is full size, not small, like not sample sizes. So I went for it last month and I paid it was $21, and they sent me this. So right now I'm gonna be showing you guys. I have the vacuum cleaner pore purifying mask, which I am dying to try because I do have oily skin, and it says right here that it's for oily and combination skin. So I'm looking forward to this one. Got Tarte Pro Glow. It's a liquid highlighter. Sparkler. Let me show you guys. It looks like this. I am gonna like it. It's a liquid highlighter, but it looks really nice. Like you guys see? I love it. We got a high definition a high definition liquid lipstick.
Give me a minute while I get through this tape that won't let me get to my item.
Damn it, I ripped it wrong. Okay. Ooh, so this is the liquid lipstick, not liquid lipstick, and I'm going to be showing you guys the color of it. So this is the wand, and this is the color. And I like it because when I started makeup, Miriam gave me one that looked very similar to this, and I've been looking for a similar color ever since I ran out. So this is another one. And then I have the brow gal, which I don't know, I have to look into this. I need to fix my eyebrows. I've been hating them lately. They have not been nice to me. They don't look like, not even sisters, not even cousins. They're like freaking faraway relatives and stuff. Ooh, look, so it has this. Hold on, let me show you guys. And it's very little. It's like, I don't know, like Should I try it? Should I try it and I start trying it? Okay, like I don't have a mirror here, so I don't want to mess up, but this is what it looks like, and it's brown. Hold on, let me. Okay, so it's brown, and it says with microfibers. The instant brown hair to tinted brown gel with microfibers. So I think it's my color. I mean, my hairs are not like brown, but I think it'll match very well with my eyebrows. And then I have this. You had me at Hello by ColourPop, and the colors are The Knot, Moonstruck, Two Piece, Candygram, Winning Ticket. Okay, this is the box, and this is the palette and how it looks. The colors are in the back, and this is the palette. This is how it looks. I like that it has a mirror, and I like the fact that you can bend it back. So these are the colors. They're very natural, neutral looking. I don't know if you guys want me to swatch. I'm gonna be swatching this color. I'm gonna swatch it. I'm gonna put this here. I like it. It's pigmented. I like the consistency of it. I'm going to be doing this one now. I'm actually just going to do the ones that I really like. Look. I'm going to do the ones I like. So, I like them all, but I'm going to do the shimmery ones because those are the ones that really catch my attention for some reason. I'll be doing this one. And this one is like pinkish, and you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of this liquid highlighter that I bought at DD's discount the other day. That's what it reminds me of. I'm going to do this one now. As you guys can see. And finally, I am going to do this one. The colors. I can't wait to try them. I haven't really been wearing makeup lately, but that's only because I've been really busy. Like, my schedule is busy, and I don't wear makeup to go to work because I mean I'm going to work and I don't deal with customers. I don't talk to other people. Basically, like, I don't interact with other people daily. Like, I just don't. My job is like indoors. Like, I don't have to deal with customers. I don't have to deal with other people. It's just me and machines, and that's it. So because of that, I don't wear makeup. I'm just like, whatever, I go to work. So I haven't been wearing makeup. I think it's been like 2-3 weeks. And yesterday I decided to put a little makeup to go to DragCon. And you guys are gonna see that video is gonna be coming up shortly. I'm really excited. I got to meet a few people. And so I was really excited about one in particular. You guys are gonna see in the video. I was able to interact with him, make a little tiny video with him, and I'm hoping that I am able to see him again in the future. And I'm really excited for that video. I don't know what else to tell you guys, just to wait and see, because I am going to be working on editing that video so that I can post it up soon. By the way, I want to point out in that video, you guys can see my freaking hair looks nasty. I hate it. Look at this, because it's growing out. Like, I dyed it when I had it really short. I don't know if you guys remember me having the hair really short, but this used to be like shaved this side, and it has grown out a lot. You guys can see here, but it's grown out, and I freaking hate how it looks. I look like a
freaking choco flan. Like, I hate it.
So I want to point that out before you guys do, that my hair looks ugly. I need to go and dye it. I'm going to ask Miriam to see if she can dye it for me. And what color should I do? You guys comment down below what color I should do. This one was supposed to be like reddish, but it never really came out. I don't know, I didn't bleach it, so I think that was the issue there. But comment down below what color I should do. I really want to dye my hair, change it a little bit, but let me know what you guys think. So I've kept you here for long enough, I think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Now you don't have to go home, but you gotta get out of here.